Well, greetings Bay Area, Californians, and just about anybody who's interested in cool suspension bridges. My name is Bart Ney, I'm with Caltrans, and I'm standing on the western side of the Bay Bridge. You can't tell from the enclosed area that I'm in, but this is where the main cables of the bridge come down in San Francisco and anchor back. The western spans of the Bay Bridge are actually made up of two individual suspension bridges anchored out in the middle of the bay. And periodically, what we have to do is open up that main cable and take a look at the insides to make sure that the bridge is still safe and strong. The main cable is made up of individual wires, and I'm going to give you a quick look at it. If you look up here, this is the main cable above me. It's wrapped in a shroud right now because we have it open to inspect it. If we open that shroud up, you can see that there are individual wires inside that cable. It's not just one big thick piece of steel, it's 14,000 individual wires. And so what this team is doing basically is opening it up and driving wedges into the cable that will allow us to look inside the cable and see if we have any issues with corrosion. Portions of those wires will be cut out and sent to laboratories to be evaluated to see what level of corrosion might be in there. Now, we have done this in the past, but it's very rare. We don't open up the main cable of our suspension bridges very often. The last time we did this for the Bay Bridge was way back in 2003, and we had no really bad findings then. We don't expect them now, but we have to continue to do these types of inspections to make sure that our bridge remains healthy. We're doing this with our partners at MTC BATA to ensure that our Bay Area bridges stay strong and remain the signature icons that they are for the Bay.